Coming to the second specialization, as I had mentioned, that the Department of Resource Management also offers hospitality and tourism management program, which encompasses training in various aspects of business, hotel, travel, and tourism related industries. Next, please. Um, Coming to the careers, the hospitality industry has emerged as one of the key drivers of growth among the services sector in India. Tourism is also, as you must have heard, that is has a potentially large employment generator. Besides being a significant source of foreign exchange for a country, any country resources are dependent on the tourism sector of that particular country. So the career opportunities for the hospitality students abound in popular industries like HR management, food production, housekeeping operations, front office operations, facilities and amenities management, customer service operations, sales and marketing, travel agencies, airlines, event managers, entrepreneurs, etc. Next, please. Um, since the career in hospitality management requires a lot of communication, an aspirant who wishes to take up a career in the hospitality management is expected to have skill sets, excellent communication and interpersonal skills, and an inclination towards grooming, etiquettes, food and beverage, geography, travel, and an inherent compassion towards service to people. Next, please. The students of hospitality and tourism management participate in various exhibitions, and they also take part in a lot of skill-based activities like flower arrangement. And we also have practicals which are food beverage, where every new cuisines are tried out by students, and also not to mention the heritage walk. Uh, the hospitality students have worked in various organizations like Grand Hyatt, Taj, Novotel, ITC Grand Maratha, Jet Airways, Emirates, K-Street Tours, Thomas Cook, etc. So besides the opportunities to be recruited with designers and top hospitality job domains, I'm talking in general about both the specializations, the students can pursue their post-graduation and take up specializations which will allow them to stream themselves into a particular field of profession. After completing their studies, the graduates can also go ahead and join the teaching profession if they do not want to work in the corporate world. Again, the contact details of the faculty of the Department of Resource Management are shared, and we would love to, reach out to you in case you have any queries. And please do not forget to visit the college website, where every detail and any upcoming notices are uploaded. So please make a note of the college website, where you will be updated with all the recent information. All the best, girls, and may all the best for your future endeavors. All the specializations offered excellent, and I hope you make the right choice for yourself. Thank you, Roshni.